students, this is Shimi from Don Bosco Campus Vision. I am dealing with business statistics, that is time series analysis. So students, in the last lecture we had seen short-term oscillation using moving average method. How to find the average center, that is what we are going to see in this lecture. The question is to calculate or find a 4-yearly moving average and the centered 4-year moving average from the following data. So the question is to find two things. We have to find the moving average, that also 4-yearly, and the centered 4-year moving average. So that both things. Similar to the last problem we had discussed in the last session, similarly we are going to do the same procedures, only a slight change that we are going to see.
Now for finding the solution, we need to write down this into a tabular form. So here output, then we have to find 4-yearly moving average. So average കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ total അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യുന്ന column ആയിരിക്കും 4-yearly moving total. Then 4-yearly moving average. The last column will 4-yearly moving average centered.
Yeah, 4 elements in a single group. So 301 is the first element, 454 second element, 393 third element, 414 is the fourth element. Now this is a group. This is one group. We are going to add it. And we are going to produce a sum or a total of this 4 element, and we are going to write it down into the column total. But one thing, 4 is a even number. So where to write? Odd number. 3 or odd number vannappo nammal adinte middle termilana column total erdi middle termilana total place എഴുതുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പോൾ 4 ആകുമ്പോൾ 4 is even number. Where to place? So since 4 is an even number, we are going to place it somewhere between second and third. Somewhere between second and third column. So we cannot place like that, right? So we are going to place it on third column. Okay, third we are going to place in the third columns corresponding column. Okay, third element's corresponding column. So third element is 393 and we are going to place it over here. So addition of 301 plus 454 plus 393 plus 414, I get 15915. So addition of this I get 1562. 1562. I have placed it in the third column corresponding to the third column. Okay. Now time to make the another group. So second group ഉണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് എലിമെന്റ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് നോക്കണം. ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്ത ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് എലിമെന്റ് വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ഇഗ്നോർ ഇറ്റ്. Okay, we are going to ignore it and we are going to start the group from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 454 plus 393 plus 414 plus 422 is my second group. So this group I am going to add and write the value similar to that third element in the corresponding column. So I will get 1683. Now time for the next group. This is my previous group, right? Previous group idana. Okay, our group in the first element vida adutha element that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 393 plus 414 plus 422 plus 464, I will get 1693 again in the third column, the third element's corresponding column. 1693. That is done. Now this here ended my column, right? Here ended my group. Here ended my group. So this is my last group, right? So eliminate this element. Then come from the next 414 plus 422 plus till 466. This is my new group. And in this group I am going to add and I will get 1766. I have placed it in fourth. I have placed it in third element corresponding column. One more element is left, right? അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഇതാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് എലമെൻറ്റ് വിടുക, സെക്കൻഡ് എലമെൻറ്റ് വിട്ട് പുതിയ ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി 422, 464, 466, 492. Let me add it up and I will be writing it corresponding to my third elements column, that is 1844. I got my total. Now I am going to do the average of all. Average വരുമ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് 4 year ആകുമ്പോൾ 4 year വെച്ച് തന്നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം, 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. So all this total will be divided by 4. All I am going to divide it by 4. So I will get 153 to divide by 4. I am going to write it in the corresponding column of the same. I will get 390.5 when I divide it with 4. Similarly 1683 when I divide by 4 I will get 420.8. Here I am getting 423.3. 176 I divide by 4 and I will get 441.5. 1844 I divide by 4 I get 461.0. So here we have done with our average also. So that's simple. This much you know till the last problem. Previous problem നമ്മൾ ഇതുവരെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Our main motto of our question is to find average centered. Okay, moving average centered. ഈ സീരീസിലുള്ളത് മൂവിങ് മീൻസ് സീരീസ്. സോ ഹിയർ സെൻറ്റേർഡ് മീൻസ് 4 ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പീരീഡ് എങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്റർ വരുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും? വി ക്യാൻ ഡിവൈഡ് 4 to 2 halves. സോ ബേസിക്കലി 2 ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഹിയർ വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു നമ്മൾ ഇനി ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആവറേജ് സെൻറ്റർ, വിച്ച് മീൻസ് ആവറേജിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്റർ. Okay, this is 4 yearly moving average. So what is the center of 4? What is the half of 4? 2. 2 is the half of 4. So we are going to group them up again and group them up by adding and divide them with 2. So we are going to add 390.5 plus 480.8. Then we are going to divide it by 2. I hope it is understanding to you because 4 ആണ് 4 in the center of average, I mean the average center, which means if it is 4 you are going to find or you are going to take 2 groupings, then you are going to divide it by 2. If it was 6 you are going to divide it 3. Okay, 3 group and divide by 3. Similarly here we are going to add these and we are going to get a value that we are going to divide it by 2. So we get 405.7. Similarly we are going to see here also same thing. First eliminate ചെയ്തിട്ട് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി ഇത് രണ്ടിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. Then we are going to divide it by 2. So we get 422.1. Again from here these two we will add it and we are going to divide it by 2. We get 432.4. These both we are adding it and dividing it with 2. We get 451.3. So this is how we are going to find moving average center. It looks complicated but it is very simple to understand. To revise it once more, till these things, till average we have already performed in the last lecture. We are grouping in for total and then we are dividing with the number for average. Now here for centered, basically average moving average centered രണ്ട് procedure ഒരുമിച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ. We are doing both together. Okay, wherein here we had step by step we had total and average, wherein for average centered we are directly writing down the answer. We are not maintaining a new column for here. Okay, we are directly adding two of them, two grouping of two we are doing, we are dividing it by two, then writing down the answer. So this is how we are going to perform for 4 yearly moving average centered. So this module is very small, but it has such kind of problems. So please practice it 2 to 3 times into your notebook, then write down or practice, then do your home assignment question, so that you feel very free or easy whenever you solve the problems related to time series analysis. So thank you, students.